All right, you guys, so we just got to the second job of the day. We're just gonna be doing a little patio space, similar to the size of that, just a little patio wash down. All I did was I charged her our minimum to come out, which is typically $200. Yeah, we're gonna get it knocked out. It should be super quick. Should only take about 20 minutes. So Jacob's setting everything up right now, and we're gonna rock and roll with it.
What's up, you guys? My name is Justin. This is Forever Self-Employed. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at a pressure washing job recap. In this job recap, we are going to be doing a patio at an apartment complex. Now, I landed this job using my Facebook ad strategy. So if you guys are curious at any point in the video on how I land jobs like this using Facebook ads, check out the first and second link in the comment section and the description. I also have a couple of other great links down there for you guys. If you need an insurance quote, I got a free insurance quote down there for you. Even if you already have insurance and you want to get a better quote, check that out. I also have a link to a CRM trial. This is the CRM that I personally use. So if you need help keeping up with customers, sending invoices and collecting payments, check that out. It'll give you a free 2 weeks. Kind of give it a try. However, like I said before, I landed this off of the Facebook ad strategy. Now, you typically wouldn't want to target anyone who lives in an apartment complex. And for those of you who have been in the course, you guys know that I have ways to mitigate that. However, I also have other strategies that kind of diversify who's going to be being hit with the ad. And so in this case, this lady was hit off of that strategy more or less. And I don't want to give away too much. If you want to get the course, get the course. It's very beneficial. It helps a lot of guys, even in different service industries. However, this was me kind of playing around. We hit this lady. She gave me a call the day before we came out and did this job, and she told me that she wanted to get her patio cleaned. So I just told her what the minimum was, and she agreed to it. And so it is Christmas time. She mentioned she wanted to put up some Christmas lights. So who wants to do that on a dirty patio? Can't do it, won't do it. And so in this case, it was a good thing that my ad did hit her. So we agreed to come out and do this. You guys saw in the beginning of the video, Jacob was treating everything with some sodium hypochlorite. Before I turned on the camera, I actually had to move all the patio furniture off of this little patio area. As you guys know, it's typically an upcharge if we're going to be moving patio furniture. However, in this circumstance, we were doing so well on the price just because we were doing our minimum that we did not charge her to move any of the patio furniture. Not to mention, this is such a little small patio. I kind of struggled with the pricing a little bit, just from the perspective of when she did reach out to me. I said, hey, would you mind sending me some pictures of what it looks like? To which the pictures that she sent me were absolutely terrible. I'm not sure about you guys, but I never get good pictures from customers. They're always really bad. So based off the pictures that she sent me, I then asked her, I said, is it a 10 by 10 space or like a 12 by 12 space? To which she responded, yes. I knew that it was probably going to be pretty easy to clean. So I just said, hey, look, our minimum is this. And then I kind of give some criteria around why that is the minimum. You know, we got to cover insurance, equipment, setup, and breakdown, as well as I do have a helper, which in this case, Jacob came out and helped me because we did do another job on this day. She agreed to the minimum and she had me out. Now, I'm not even sure if this apartment complex has anybody who does pressure washing work for them, but she did mention to me after the fact that I should go and give them a card and introduce myself. So we had a couple other places to be after this, so we couldn't, introduce ourselves, but we probably will be going back to this apartment complex and seeing if maybe there's some more work to be done here. Now, anytime that we do a patio, we like to clean off some of the, where you put your feet at. So in this case, we clean off the carpet, we clean out the doormat, just kind of add a little extra value. Now, when the customer came out to take a look at it, she said, hey, can you clean up this paint spot for us? Typically, like I said, would be extra. However, it was no big deal. We had only been here for about 20 minutes, and so we just went ahead and knocked it out. So if you guys made it this far in the video, comment down below paint spot, and I'll hashtag you a real one.
All right, you guys, just like that, job is done. Probably about a 30-minute job, $200. Something I didn't really expect there at the end, but doesn't really matter because we got the job done. We're headed out now. Probably be a good idea to talk to whoever one of the property managers is over here at this apartment complex and see if we can't do some more work over here in the future. So anyway, that's it.